Right, next machine in is this Flex XFE 7-15. So 15mm throw. Customer says it's not spinning freely. Yeah, the bearing doesn't sound great in that now, to be fair. But it is working, it is spinning, but maybe it's not spinning as freely as they'd like it to be, and maybe when it comes on load, like when it reaches a certain angle on a car, it's probably not free spinning as it should be. Anyway, we're going to have a look at this. Right, so we're going to start with by taking off the vacuum plate to see what way the bearing is underneath. Right, to take off the weight, which is the A part, right, it's a T15 to get off the center screw, and then I just take 2 spanners underneath it, and it usually just, there is a flat edge there which locates this, so that's how you know it's lined up or not lined up. And then this bit, which is just the carrier plate, should just slide off. So the bearing actually doesn't feel too bad in it. I'm going to check play in a second with a new part, but one thing people always forget with these machines, it's the same with XFE, XCE, and the old VRGs, is to basically kind of like grease and lubricate this ring and this ring so they spin freely. Now only a tiny bit, because it will throw it out as you're polishing and stuff like that. So very, very small bit, because it's an awful grip on that rubber there. So that might be it, but I've just checked. Like, look, you'll just see there now. You listen and you'll hear tiniest ever bit of play. This is a brand new part, and there's nearly the same amount of play. So I actually think the bearing is any worse. So I think it might just be that. I think it might just be gripping up. Right, as you see there, that's not spinning all that smoothly, and it's stopping like the minute I let go. Stop it up for the new part, and it spins. We're also going to replace this dust ring here, because I can see when I take it off, there's a lot of black underneath it, which will be basically the ring kind of rubbing off the plastic, and you can see all the grit then from it. So we're going to take that off to replace that with a new one, but first got to clean up the machine. This just slides on. Sure it's well in the groove the whole way around. And then we're going to slide back on new part, and that's how it should spin. Now it's spinning freely. Anyway guys, I'm not going to bore you with reassembling this. It just goes back the way we took it apart. Both of these parts are available on our website, so they are. So if you want to do this repair at home yourselves, instead of sending it to us, you can. Both of them are available, and we hold both in stock at all times.